Here we got the Grypmat in the mail, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I bought the small one with some stickers. So let's see what we got. Also, love this knife, Milwaukee. It's really dope. Let's see what we got. My sticker set. Respect your workflow, that's dope. It's gonna look good in the back of the truck. Looks like a catalog. Different examples, how to use it. The light's kind of funky. That's cool. The almighty 10mm. Mechanics, you know. I'm digging those Grypmat wings right there. Very cool. And you can never have too many 10 mils. So we'll add this to the collection. And the star itself. Oh, it's pretty heavy. I really didn't expect that. It's pretty solid, I'd say. Wow. Way more sturdier than I thought it was gonna be from like looking at the pictures and everything. It's got like a little hook at the end right here, pretty strong. I dig it so far. I mean, it's pretty. This is my pocket knife, so you can kind of get an idea of how big the tray and everything is. Pretty good size. This is the small one. We're going to put it to real good use this week. We're gonna take some video and let you know what we think about it. We're not sponsored or anything by them, so we're gonna tell you the truth. And I mean, I dig it so far. We always have, you know, like different bolts and stuff. You can keep everything separated. It's got pretty good space in each compartment. Dig it. All right. What's up? So we got our new Grypmat here. It did its first job very well. Now we're gonna put it through some tests, I guess you could say. Don't lie, if you're a mechanic, you forget stuff every once in a while. So we're going to simulate that and see if it can survive. Let's see how tough it really is. First test, we're gonna simulate forgetting it under the hood, see if it doesn't melt or anything like that. So we're taking off. We're gonna leave it right there, and we're going to go to probably a park or big empty parking lot for the second test. PJ's gonna get to do. Okay, so we're gonna go try this. We're going about, what do we say, 5 miles away?
Text out to 8.
About 8 miles away with this under the hood. Hopefully it don't melt. We're gonna see. Have arrived it. PJ is approximately 8 miles away from the house. Oops, I forgot the Grypmat under the hood.
Damn, I thought you took it out.
Nah, man. Let's see.
Gee, I I hope it didn't melt.
Pull up on it. Ooh, it's kind of warm. It's already 91 degrees outside. That's it on top of the battery. I mean, dang. Nothing. Not a scratch. It's not even hot, actually. This is fantastic. So it survived the, oops, I forgot it, under the hood test. We got 2 more tests for it. We're gonna go to a parking lot for the next one.
You really didn't.
How you feel about it so far, PJ?
Let's see what happens.
Coming up next on Dragon Ball Z. Will he survive? Find out next time.
Calvin, you got everything in the truck, right?
I think you got everything, yeah.
I hope so. All right. Get the fuck out of here, man. Woo! Another win. Another win. Whoa! The mat! Oh, wait a minute.
All right, we got it. Hey, it survived. It's super strong. No tears, no cracks.
Wow.
The whole work truck ran over this thing.
Dude, the tar marks give it a nice little decal. Look at that.
I don't know if you could tell, but we were acting. So this was test number 2. It passed.
Wow.
It passed.
All right, so we did our tests.
And he opens the door.
Did a first job. That's Chicago back there, adding more light to the scene.
Yeah.
Martin Scorsese, as he calls himself. So we picked up the small Grypmat. We've used it very aggressively for the first job. We did a camshaft sensor, held all the bolts and everything really good in there. We ran it over with the work truck twice. Yeah, cleans off really good. Didn't hold all that stuff. Left it under the hood for about 8 miles, 13 minutes of driving.
In Texas heat.
Yeah, Texas 90 plus heat. Didn't melt. So mechanics to go, stamp of approval. And we're definitely gonna pick up the other models that come with it. They got like a medium and a super large tray, so we'll come back with some reviews on that. But Grypmat, see, boom, right there. It's probably backwards for y'all, whatever.
It is. Oh, and the
Definitely.
10 mil?
Yeah, 10
Yeah.
mil. That was the cherry on top. Definitely check out Grypmat. They got another color. They got shirts. They got a bunch of cool stuff on there. And we'll be putting our stickers on the truck because we don't put stickers of stuff we don't like. So
Yeah, you don't get that spot if you suck.
Grypmat, you kick ass. Appreciate it. Good product. And we're going to keep using this.